Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is my first video of my YouTube channel. So today I am going to share with you an interesting game that is Brawl Stars. So in this today I am going to tell you something about Brawl Stars. This uh, these are the brawlers. I have 22 brawlers out of 40. I have 22 brawlers out of 40. You can select any of them and you can play. Uh, this is my profile. I have put my DP. Then see, this is Surge. The name of the brawler. This is Surge. This is Jenny and this is Max. Nanny and Shelly and all. So I have put my DP as Surge and I have put my name also. You can do the color change of the name also, like red, green, yellow, like this you can do. So this is the profile, and you can check how many friends there are. Like I have 132 friends. I have so many friends. I have 132 friends. You can add more friends also, and this is gem. This is gem. I have 100 gem and this is coin and this is star power and this is gem and this is coin. I have 2031 coins. This is shop. We can buy any brawler. In every update we got every new brawler. Like we have updated just recently, so after update we got this Amber brawler. This is so good. We can take trial of any brawler by going this option. We can do trial of any brawler, and in this shop we can buy everything. Like this is the sign. Like this is the sign of gem. This green part is gem. So if we have 89 gems, but I have 21 gems. If we have 89 gems, so we can buy these all brawler. Like this is the name of the brawler is BB. So the name of the brawler is BB. So we can buy it in 89 gems. This is the brawler of Amber. We can buy in 700 gems. And this is a special offer. A double token. In this double token, for example, we got double token after winning. For example, I win the match and I got 20 token. So it will be double it. It means I will got 40 tokens. And this is all the here we get daily deals, which I have already collected, and this we can buy with coins. I have coins to buy, but I do not want to buy it. So like this, we can buy these all skins. These are all skins of Darley, Daryl, Carl, and all. And this we can see the chance also. Like this is Mega Box. I have to see chance. So my chance of legendary brawler is this. This are all the chances. We can see it over here. So the chance will be same for big box and mega box both. And in this we can buy these gems with real money. Okay. So this all in the shop, and in this we can invite our friends also for play with us. And this is these all like battle ops. Like just now I play one match and this is a battle op. That in my team there are these and the other team has this brawler. And we can invite also, like see the AJ Scott. His name is AJ Scott. So see the profile, how many brawlers are there. Just like we can see the profile also. And if you like it, send a friend request. When he or she will see your request, and then she will make friends and the name will come over here. Okay. And this is Brawl Pass. This is very interesting. I am on 69th of a tire. These are the tire. These are the tire. These are the tire. These whole are the tire. This is the one tire. This is the second tire. So like this. Now my next reward is 69 tire. Then after this we will got big box. This is a big box. So after the spin pack. After the spin pack, we can get this big box every 5 token. And this is a Brawl Pass. If we want to activate this Brawl Pass, we have 2 options. Get 169 gems and open Brawl Pass rewards and extra quest. And I will show you where is the quest also. And we have second option. Activate the Brawl Pass and 249 gems. And you will get Brawl Pass with 2 more tires. And go in Brawl Pass, there is a quest option. Click on that and there are quests. These are the Brawl Pass exclusive. This means that when we open the Brawl Pass, we will get this quest and we will have to complete this quest. For every quest, we will get 250, 500 or something like token that is written on every quest. And this is a daily quest. Like I have got a gem grab as daily quest, so I have to complete it. And this daily quest always change in after 23 hours. So let's start the match. This is the events. Which event we have to play? Which event we have to play? Like we can play in brawl ball. In the brawl ball, we have 2 teams. One is mine and one is from my side, and second is from other side. So we have to pass the ball like football it is. We have to make 2 goals like football it is. So and this is Solo Showdown. This is a new event. In this we get invisible. But while playing this game, we are getting damage automatically around 400 or 600. We can play solo in this solo game. In the solo game, if we are defeated, then we cannot come back in the game. We have to start a new match. But in duo, I am a friend. I have not invited any friends, so yes. But in duo, if I get defeated, my other partner will be there. So I will come back in 10 seconds. If I and my partner also get defeated, I will not come back in seconds. Then I am out. So these are the 2 events. This is also duo and this is also solo. This is invisible solo or duo and this is visible solo duo. This is gem. Like see this. Here is a potion, and here we will get the gem. Here is gem. Here is gem already put in over here. When we come, we can take gem, and this is 3 versus 3 game. So this is another team. This is my team. If we come in this, we have to make 10 gem. If somebody have defeated gem and somebody have taken a gem, then your countdown will be stopped. So now this is Brawl Ball. I have to tell you siege. In this siege, we have to take screws. The screw will come in these area. Yeah. The screw will come in these area. We have to collect the screw. And for example, my team has 10 screws. So according to that only, robot will go from our side. According to that level only. Our target is to defeat this. Okay, in the siege, this is also 3 versus game. Now this is Super City Rampage. This is not come till yet. It will come till 4 day. It will come in till 4 days. So we will leave this and we will go to horse zone. In Super City Rampage, sometimes it comes that Super City Rampage or a big game like this. It changes every day. Now it is horse zone. In the horizon there are two circles. You can see it. So we have to stand over there and make our points of, and we have to make our team's points. This is power play. In this we can play the level 10 robot only, and he is also same like Siege. We have to defeat, and like this is power 10 robot, and this is star power. If we get star power of any brawler, we can play power play. Let's play one match. As I have challenge with gem grab and duo, so I will play gem grab. We can play with any brawler. I will play with Surge. This is Surge. Let me show you how many legendary brawlers I have. This is chromatic brawler. So this chromatic brawler, you will show it over here. This is chromatic brawler, and like this you can see another also, that which brawler is of which group. So let's begin the game. This is one player, that means I already in the game. We need 5 more players. Now 3 more players we need. 2 more players. Sometimes it takes time to start. This is I. The green part is I. I have to defeat them. As I am defeated, so I will come in 3 seconds. In duo solo, I come in 10 seconds. Are bull. Oh. This is spam actually. I have to be visible over here. Not pop up. Like we have 10 gems, so we can play. We are winning. Match over. We are won. We win. And star player is Wonder Boy. Great. So my challenge is 20% is completed. In challenge I have to deal. Deal means I have to put one attack of another brawler. So this is for all today. So bye. Do like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon. Bye.